All right, it's game time. 5:45. We just launched Colorado Kayak Bassmaster, day 1 of 2 at Red Willow in Nebraska here. Excited for it. I'm going to go to this point that kind of splits the lake. It's where I got bit yesterday. It's only like a place I got bit more than once. And you're not supposed to do that free fishing, but it felt good. So we're going to go there. 3, 2, 1. All right, line's in. May the power of Matt Flanagan be in this buzzbait. All right, I'm sold. You got me, Matt. Yeah, first buzzbait fish, guys. Oh, no. Just chill out, dude. Golly, he's pissed. It's like you're exactly where you were supposed to be. This buzzbait throws way better than the other one I was using, so big props to old Matty Flanagan. No sir. So that's good. Number 2. GoPro, start recording. It's not a great one. I'll fill a limit though. She'll go. 13.5. Small one. That's 3. All right, time to submit some fish here. We'll do another loop. Turn the X and submit catch. Okay, and let's look at the standings. We're in first. Someone's got a 19.75. Alright, well, what we're doing is working. No one else has submitted any fish, so let's keep chucking and winding. That's a good one. That's the one. That's the one. GoPro, start recording. He's in the grass there. Yes! 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 Oh, Lord. Oh, yes. Yes. That's gonna matter. That's gonna matter. We're gonna weigh this guy. Oh my gosh. That might be 20. We might hit 20 on this, guys. Golly, Nico rig. Oh my God, I'm kind of shaking. Oh Lord. Don't let go of that fish. Oh my gosh. Guys. Yes. We're gonna weigh this guy once we're done. Get you back in there. Yes. Four, almost 4.5 pounder. See you, dude. It's off. So, little update here. I just saw a couple good ones on the bed. I caught a small one. It was only, I think, 13 or so. I didn't really measure it, but it wasn't going to do anything good for us. So, but there are a couple on a bed. The problem is these clouds come out and I lose the beds. And I almost wonder if the fish pushed off from my area over here from the morning, and maybe I'm pushing them back onto my spot. I don't know. I'll probably just stay here all day and really just focus on trying to cull those 13.5s, because I know that we can. I know we can. Alright guys, here's the update. Caught all my fish on this beaver dam. Been around here, I mean just up the weed line that you'll see comes up here, but probably gonna stay here for a little longer. It's 10 o'clock, we got 4 more hours, so maybe I go around the coves, hit those for a bit, but no one's even really come by me here, so I think it's safe to leave for a bit, and then we'll come back somewhere. That's it, guys. Alarm's gonna go off. We're out of time. What a day. There it is. Here's our alarm. Tournament's over. We got some Foo Fighters playing. Jamming back to that truck. This launch is gonna suck to take out from. Probably rolling my truck down there because it's terrible. I didn't bring the hitch for the dynamic dolly, and God, I regret that. So.
And in 5th place with a $50 Shields gift card with 67.5 inches, Matt Kern. And in 4th place with a $100 gift card, let's keep the mats rolling, 78.25, Matt Collins. In 3rd place with 79.75, Jason Lovall. With 80.75 inches, your current Wyoming state champion, your current AOY points leader, and your current CKB champion from Horsetooth, Josh Gardner. And in first place with 88 3/4, another rookie, but probably not a rookie. I don't really know him well. I know he just came from Florida, I do believe, but joining us for the first time this year. Congratulations, first place, 88 3/4, Justin Bricklin. Love the same.
Shirtless crappie pics. I love
Yes.
it. That's awesome.
Yeah, let's see it, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. Hey, you got one too, right?
Yeah, I got one.
Perfect. We're gonna wear this
next Christmas party.
Next Christmas party, we're gonna wear these.